Test. Yes, that's nice. Okay. What else? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Plus. Okay. So which one is your favorite one? On which FB? Everyone. Facebook. Rohit is FB. Aditya is FB. Okay. That's nice. For Bharat, you? On which platform you are very active? Okay. So how you define for you, what do you mean by social media? How you define? Bharat is very active on FB and LinkedIn. That's fantastic. So, how you define social media? For not definition, in fact, when I say social media, when social media comes in your mind, what is the first thing? What single word you can give to the social media activities or social media experience, whatever you have done so far? So, social media को आप कैसे define करना चाहोगे एक या दो word में? Platform in which we get social. Rohit is saying platform in which we get social, and sharing is or promotion is possible, socially connecting is possible. Okay. Connection, sharing, promotion, the three words that came from you, that socially connect with the people, you can share with the people, and you can do lot of promotions on this platform. That's nice, that's nice. So with the people. Okay, that's correct. So you guys can see my screen, right? Yeah. So very right. Whatever you have tell that social media is, if you have to define the social media, the few things you can keep in mind, that these are the platform where you can connect. The connection is the buzzword. The connection is the root word. The connection is the main characteristic which differentiate social media site with the other website, right? So whatever all the website which is giving you facility to connect with peer, connect with audience, or connect with your target audience, connect with your friend families. So the connecting with the people is the buzzword. Like you can say the entire social media revolve around that connections. Connection is the most important thing. So to whom you are connected with, and how you are connected with, what is the repo, what is the quality of the connection, what is the quantity of the connections, that social media, if we talk about social media, so that connecting with the people is the most important factor in the social media, right? So if you have to define social media, first and foremost thing is the connections. And what is the next? Apart from that connection, you connect with the people, and the next most important word in the social media is the content sharing. Rohit, very right, as you say, sharing. That what you will share on the with that connections, what you would like to share with that connection, that is your content. That content, what are the varieties? Can you give me some example of the content which you share on the social media, or the variety of the content text content you share with the text content? Okay, images. Yes. Link. Yes, experience. You can share the experience, videos, audios, link, images. So these are the varieties of the content which you are going to share with the connections. So the two most important things you have to keep in mind about the social media is content and connections. Number of connections, quality of connections, and the content, the quality of the content, and the content which is generating lot of response. So the content and connection, that is the most important thing about the social media. Then what is the third most important thing? What is the third, like you have lot of connections, you have connected with a very targeted audience, you are connected with the people who can really buy your product, or who is your real target audience. So you have quantity wise, quality wise, you have a good connections, and you are sharing the very quality content with those connections. Then what is the next third major component of social media. Third major component, or third major part of that social media puzzle. If you have to keep three things in mind, first is your connection, second is your content, what should be the third? Any idea? Promotions. Okay, promotions. Yes, you can do promotion on this platform, but you will do the promotion with those connections and with the content. The promotional activity is basically to do the promotions, you connecting with those people, and you are sharing the content. So promotion is by default inherent activities. Promotion is the overall activities which you are doing on the social media. So promotion, yes, but what you look for on social media, how you can say that okay, the social media promotion is good one, or your social media was a successful activities, or it was not so successful. How feedback, yes, in a way it's a feedback. What else? Rohit is saying feedback. In fact, yes, in a way it's a like, comment, share. That's the fantastic that I'm looking for, Rohit. Yes, you are right. The third major component of the social media, the response you are getting from your connection from while sharing your content. So this is the complete cycle. First, you have to connect with the right kind of people. In second, you have to share the right kind of content. And third, you have to generate lot of like, comment, shares, or user generated content or user generated response. That is the third is the response of your content. If you can keep three things in mind, that the connection, content, and response. If you can keep three things, like इन तीन चीजों को आप दिमाग में रख के social media करते हो. If you can if you are focused towards connecting with the right kind of people, if you are focused towards sharing the quality content with that connections, and if you are focused towards that how you can generate lot of response from those connections for your content, then you are moving towards the right effective social media marketing, right? So whether whatever platform we will select, it's Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, G plus, YouTube, there are varieties of social media platforms. Some social media platforms are focused towards connection. For example, Facebook is the king of the social media. Facebook is the king of social networking websites. So the social networking, where you can network, you can create the connections. So Facebook is the king of all these social networking sites. And the social media sharing site is also a part of social media. Can you give me some example of media sharing site? Give me some example of media sharing site. YouTube is the media sharing site. Pinterest is media sharing site. Exactly. Instagram is media sharing site. So on YouTube, which kind of media you share? Video media. That if on YouTube you are sharing the videos, then it's a media sharing site for the video. Instagram and Pinterest, what kind of media you share on the Instagram and Pinterest? Images. So the Instagram and Pinterest is the image sharing site, that is part of media sharing site. Any other example of media sharing? So there are so many other video sharing, so many other image sharing websites. SlideShare, in which example you will keep that SlideShare? SlideShare is again a media sharing site. So the major portion of social networking site is the networking site. Second is varieties of media sharing site, and third iTunes. iTunes, in which category you will keep the iTunes? iTunes को आप किस category में रखेंगे? Again the media sharing. Yes. And what kind of media is shared on iTunes? Audios. Yes. So now you understand the networking. There are website which objective of that website is connecting and networking, that is kind of Facebook and LinkedIn. And there are website whose objective is to share the particular kind of media, that is media sharing site. The third kind of social media website, that is uh, platform where you can generate, you can connect with the people, and where the two-way communication, kind of question answer website. Have you heard about question answer website? Yes, give me some example of question answer website. Ask.com, Yahoo Answer, Quora, yes, Wiki Answers, Answer.com. Yes, these are question answer website. So these question answer website is the three major defining characteristic of social media is present on the question answer website. The three defining characteristic. What are the three defining characteristic of social media? We have just discussed the three defining characteristic of the social media sites. Content, you can share the content with your connections. There you can share the content with your connections. That means you can create the connections with the people. And third, you can generate lot of real time response, right? You are generating real time response. That is a two-way communications. That connect, like, comment, share, followers, this is a kind of, you are generating lot of response, but you are also generating all these response in the real time. And more than one people, like lot of other people, can simultaneously respond to your content on the same platform in the real time. So these three things, that content, connections, and real time response, is the distinguished characteristic of the social media. So on any website, if these defining characteristics are available, then that particular website is part of social media. Irrespective, you must have heard about lot of other websites. So on any website, if people can connect with each other, if people can share the content with those connections, if people can do the real time response on those connections, then that particular platform is part of social media. सो irrespective कि वो सोशल नेटवर्किंग है या मीडिया शेयरिंग साइट है या क्वेश्चन आंसर वेबसाइट है या ब्लॉगिंग वेबसाइट है जिसपे लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं या ब्लॉगर्स को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, या इट्स अ बुक मार्क सोशल बुक मार्किंग वेबसाइट्स है, या प्रेस रिलीज, यू कैन डू द प्रेस रिलीजेस ऑन डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. So if these three characteristics, three defining characteristics are present on any website, if even if you can you integrate these three defining characteristics on your own website as well? If yes, if you can yes, if you can add a such characteristic on your website, then your website is also part of social media. If you can add this defining characteristic, let's suppose you have started a discussion forum where people can come and discuss about the latest news. If Rohit has started a discussion forum on his news channels where people can come and connect and share their ideas about the latest news, so that discussion forum is what? That discussion forum is also part of social media, exactly. So any website can integrate or can have the social media characteristic, but when you have a simple website where you are doing only one way communications, what is the difference between the normal website and the social media website? When you have a website where you are doing only one way communications, only you can you can share your content and your audience cannot respond to you, then it is not part of social media. In general, when you have providing the product information or services information, or the people are not responding to you, you are doing only one way communications, then it's not part of social media. On any platform where multiple way of communications can happen, you can connect with the people, you can share the content, you can generate the you can generate the responses in the real time, then that particular platform is part of social media. So introductory level पे you understand the what are the defining characteristic of social media and how social media is different from other normal website. Got the right? Yes. Now let's move to that what we are going to cover today. We are going to cover today what is social media, how social media work, how they connect, how you connections work, what is the advantage of those connections. So that we will discuss in how social media work. We will set up one Facebook campaign, we will create one Facebook page, we will create one Facebook group, and we will create one Facebook ad, and we will also discuss about the other social media platform, right? So social media marketing, these leaders are using the social media in a very big way. So that these political pundits are giving so much credit to their social media presence, and these political pundits are giving credit that these leaders can connect with that audience, and that connections play a very favorable role when they go for asking the vote. So are you agree with it? So if political leader can connect with their yes. So the connection is the key. That connections, and that how you are nurturing that connections, what kind of informations you are sharing with those connections, how those connections are responding to you. So that nurturing process is very important, and that nurturing process is give a favorable create a favorable conditions on these online social media. So in one, what are the purposes why you should use social media, why you should learn social media, why everyone should be using social media, what are the uses of social media? If you have to define that, so the first and foremost thing, that you can connect with your target audience. Second, you can share your latest content with your target audience. Third, you can create a overall branding of your product and services. Yeah, to create and manage the connections, you can create the connections. In fact, you cannot create yes, in a way you can create the connection and you can manage the connections, but that connections, ultimately you have to mature those connections as into the buying customers. Ultimately you want those connections to convert into the buying customers, or like you can define a goal for your website, and you want to achieve that goal with these connections. So that creating and management is a better word, is how you are nurturing the connections. How once you have created the connections, how you are nurturing those connections. So in the process of nurturing those connections, you can do branding. Social media is a fantastic tool for the branding, personal branding, product branding, company branding. So are you agree that when you come across something on the social media, you get influenced by that informations? The influence present, that informations present on the social media change your perception or not? Yes, so yes, if the information present on the social media can change your perceptions, so these company nowadays, every single company want to use the social media to change or to manage or to improve the perception about their product, companies, informations, or employee on the social media. They want to change the perception about their product. So for that purpose, they use the social media for the branding. Second, and they use social media nowadays, they have started using social media as the customer care service channel. Have you ever used social media to get any customer care support from a company or brand? Have you ever used social media to get a kind of customer support? Rohit haven't got such. Bharat is also not Aditya Bhinu, but just try it. If you have any problem, or if you have any like complain about any product and services, go to their social media page, go to their Facebook page, and write your complaint on their Facebook page. You will get immediate response. They are very, these big brands are very much like they want to, they are using this social media as their customer care channels. So many companies have officially launched Twitter handle to take care of their customer response, or to take care, to provide the customer support. So you have to just tweet them, or they will give you the support or customer care support. So many big brands are using this social media for customer care as well. So you can use the social media for customer care, you can use the social media for branding, you can use the social media for connections, you can use the social media for nurturing the leads, you can use social media at the end of all these things. At the end of all these things, what you want from social media, ये सारे नर्चरिंग कनेक्शंस से एंड में आप सोशल मीडिया से क्या चाहते हो? प्रॉफिट, एग्जैक्टली। So when you provide lot of these things, then at the end of these activities you can make a profit. So on these social media there are two kind of, like, you can define the social media platform, or you can define the entire social media activities in three kind of activities. One is you can work on the owned media, one is you can work on the earned media, and one you can work on the paid media. So when earned media, like owned media, which I have already discussed, I might have discussed these things in the previous classes, but in the social respect, in the social media respect, these three words are also very important. When you have a blog, when you have a self-hosted blog, when you can entirely manage or entirely control the media, then that particular media is owned media. Can you give me the example of owned media? Yes, website is not part of social media. Yes, website is part of own media. So in social media terms, you can say that if you have self-hosted blog, if you have started a blog, that blog is in blog, you can get the two-way response on blog, whether blog is a part of social media or not. Blogging is is social media or not? Yes, it's blogging is a social media. So why it is blogging the social media? Because in blogging people can follow you, you can connect with those people, and people can comment on your content, like whatever blog post you have done, people can come and share your views, they can comment your they can do the comment on your blog post. So that the three defining characteristics are there, that you can connect with the audience, audience can share the content, and the real-time response you can generate on the blog. So blog is mostly in the terms of social media, blog is termed as the owned media. So whatever social activities you plan, whatever social campaign you plan, whatever offers or whatever social activities you plan, the center of all those activities, or the source of information of those activities is started with a blog. जनरली जब हम सोशल मीडिया कैंपेन स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो सोशल, if you are running a contest, or if you are running a event, like if you are running a campaign for participation in the event, or if you are running a offer buy one get one free, or if you are running a special offer, something related to that, some festivals. So the first source of all the campaign should be your blog. Blog should be the center of all social media activities, and that particular blog link you can share on the different social media, social networking sites, social media sites, social media sharing sites, or question answers website, or forum website, or discussion forum website, or blog commenting website. You can share your blog page on other platform, and that wherever you are sharing your blog page, there you are doing the contribution, that people you are going and connecting with the people, and people will liking you only because you are contributing a lot, because you are providing very valuable informations, or very relevant or latest on informations, or whatever informations you are providing, they are liking those informations. So due to your contributions you are earning the space on this social media, right? What are the possibilities, like if you have to earn the space on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube, without spending the money, what are the ways to do that? If you have to earn lot of space or lot of exposure on this social media, but you are not ready to spend the money, what what are the possibilities? You fresh content contributions. Yes, the content contributions, the content, generic research, generic reach, generic nahi, specific reach, targeted reach on social media. It depends on your product and services. If you are providing the news channel or news, so you want to connect with all kind of generic reach. When you are connecting with the like your target audience is business owners, you want to connect with so paid, that I'm saying, if you are contributing, in the response of that contribution you can generate lot of you can generate lot of space, lot of exposure on that platform. So when you are contributing and then earning that space, that way of doing social media is called, you are working on the earned media. And the paid media on the same platform, you are ready to pay for the clicks, you are ready to pay for the impressions, you are ready to pay for the placements. Then the same platform is used as the paid media. So, and you have to make a balance that what content should go on your blogs, or what content you should contribute free of cost, or for what content you should do the paid advertisement. There should be a proper balance. So do you feel that paid social media marketing is enough, and you should not be doing the organic promotions, or you should not be doing the contribution on the social media platform? No, yes, yes, Rohit, you are very right. So, from the user's perspective, perspective, where you click more, whether you click on organic or free content more, or you click on paid content more. Organic and free content, yes, exactly. So when users are giving more or attention to the free and organic content more, so you have to be present there while for providing free and organic content on the platform. That means you have to be active on the earned media. And the paid media can give you the instant result. That is the beauty of the paid media. So you can start the campaign, and you can start generating lead for you, and start generating exposure for you. That is the instant result. If you want the instant result, then paid is the things you can get started with. But paid cannot compensate for your organic presence. Whatever amount you are ready to spend on the paid, you can spend on the paid. But people are trusting the organic or free presence, or giving more attention to the organic content or free content or contribution of the content, rather than clicking on or giving attention to the paid presence. So you have to make a balance, that how much time, energy, money you should invest in organic contributions, and how much time, money you should invest in the paid one. But whatever money, time you are investing in the paid one, it cannot compensate your organic presence. So in organic or in free contributions, you have to keep doing, to make that trust factor, to make that to win the trust of your audience. So these are the three types of media, and these leaders are using this media for best possible results. So these are the few people who become very popular on social media. Due to the social media, they have got a lot of exposure and a lot of like popularity. So you can understand this is only to show you the possibilities of social media. Without any lot of contributions, they are just using social media to get that exposure. So now understand how social media work. So let's suppose this is you, and you have three connections, right? So these three are your direct connections. These are called first level of connections. These are your direct connections, and these are your second level of connections. These are the third, these are the connection of the connection. So what happened? Let's suppose you have shared a news, or you have shared a video or any kind of content, and I assume it's not three. Let's suppose it's a 300. Let's suppose your how many connections you have, friend? आप लोग के फेसबुक पे आप लोग के कितने कितने फ्रेंड है? 1300. रोहित के 1300 फ्रेंड है, भरत के 1200 फ्रेंड है, and Aditya ke around 500 friend hai. Wow, fantastic. So I'm taking the average of 600. Let's suppose I'm taking the average of 600. This is you, and you have average 600 friends in your list, and you have shared some controversial content, or you have asked some questions that every person would like to answer those questions, or you are running a contest. That contest is so awesome that people are participating in that contest. They are liking, sharing, or commenting, or following you for those contest. So in from the 600, let's suppose 60 people have responded. It may happen like if you have 600 people, 600 in your connections, तो उसमें से 60 लोग आपके if the content has worth to respond, then approx 60 people respond to you in some way by liking or sharing or commenting. Yes, so 60 people can do that. So now what happened, पहले तो आपने जो कंटेंट शेयर किया वो कंटेंट आपके 600 कनेक्शंस में विजिबल हुई. द फर्स्ट इज कि जो भी 600 लोग 600 लोग आपको फॉलो कर रहे थे, that content get visible to all those 600, and now from those 600 60 has responded. So जो जो 60 लोगों ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया उनका जो कनेक्शंस था उस कनेक्शंस में भी आपके कंटेंट विजिबल हो गए. सो एवरेज लेट्स सपोज आपके जो 60 कनेक्शंस 60 लोगों ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया, उनका एवरेज नंबर ऑफ कनेक्शंस व्हाट 200 मान लेते हैं कि every the average number of connections for those 60 responder is 200. Okay, so your content get exposed to how many people? Your content get exposed to 600 plus 60 multiplied by 200. How much it is? 60 multiplied by 200. It's a 12,000. Is it 12,000? Yes. So if 60 people are responding to you, your content get exposed to 12,000 audiences. So what do you feel if you are connected with your target audience, then the connection of those target audience of will be of the similar kind or from the different kind? Let's suppose your target audience is students. तो ये student के जो connections में होंगे ज़्यादा chances है क्या है वो क्या होंगे? वो भी सेम ही होंगे, स्टूडेंट्स ही होंगे. सो ये जो 12,000 कनेक्शंस तक आपके कंटेंट पहुंच गया वो आपके आइडियल कस्टमर्स और आपके टारगेट ऑडियंस तक पहुंचा या नॉट टारगेट ऑडियंस तक? इन जनरल टारगेट ऑडियंस तक ही पहुंचा. So yes, so that is the beauty of social media, target audience, ideal target audience. So in 12,000, if your content has worth, if your content has that controversy inbuilt, or the question is very compelling, or the that contest you are running is such that no one would like to deny that, or the event you are organizing is free of cost or whatever, if that content has enough quality, so do you feel that कि this 12,000 में से कुछ और लोग आपके कंटेंट पे रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे? Yes. So like in that way, if from 12,000, if 100 people has responded, so that way you don't know at what extent your content can go. You don't know whom your content can reach. But is subject to conditions. Your audience should be your ideal audience. Your audience should be very active audience. Your audience should be very like very reactive audience, like it should react to your content. And second, your content must have that worth to get the response. If your content does not have the worth, whatever content you will share, you will not get the response. So what kind of content, just give me few list of the things on which which kind of content can give you lot of response. किस तरह का content आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा response generate कर सकता है on social media? Competitions, yes, you can run the, yeah, I think you are talking about contest, right? Contest, yes, contest, politics, and specific kind of content means I'm talking about, let's suppose you are sharing a questions, so people are tempted to answer those questions. If you are sharing the controversy, so if you are talking about some controversial things about your industry, people are tempted to participate in that controversy. So that the content, you have to define the content, what kind of content can give you maximum response. Now the performance of social media depends on that how much response you are getting. If you have to measure the performance of any social media activities, you can measure it by defining that how much response you are generating from your audience. If you are generating good response, then it's all fine. If you are not generating enough response from your audience, then it's not good to go. Then it's not going, your social media your social media marketing is not going in the right directions. So the performance parameters in the social media is how much active or related or responsive comment, share, likes, or you are generating from your audience. So now you understand how social media work. Yes, that's fantastic. So now let's move some other topic, that how communication has changes. Initially it was telegram, people are communicating using telegram, it was a time taking, then people have moved to the telephone. Again it dependent on some physical things which you have to sit on a particular place to talk, and then people have moved to the mobile. So everything is in your lap, or everything is in your you can you in your fist. In mobile you can connect with the world in real time. And then it moved to the internet, you can use your WhatsApp or mobile internet calling to connect with your customers 24/7. And now it is moving toward the social media. Like now people don't want to do the face to face interactions. No, that no, I'm not saying that people don't want to do that, but people are more comfortable on the safe zone of social media, right? Do you feel that social media is safe place to be there? Yes, that social media give a sense of safety. Like whatever content you are writing on the social media, no one is going to slap you on your face, or no one is no one is going to confront you in front of face, in your face. So it's even you are talking to the some UK guy or US guy or South African guy, so you know that you are in your safety zone. You there is a very less chance that those people can harm you. So that safety mindset uh, encourage the people to share more. Am I right? So that you are safe, whatever you will share, that these sharing is not going to harm you immediately, or no one is going to confront you in your face. So that safety mindset uh, encourage user to share more and more and more informations, right? So they can like in they may not say anything on the public or face to face, but they are willing to share the same thing on the social media. So the social media is the next fastest way of communications. And you know that that Twitter is Twitter is nowadays, Twitter is the platform where you more news things get distributed than the news channels. The Twitter is the largest network. Like if you have to spread news, then Twitter is the fastest way to spread the news. So you can understand the potential of these social media. In the same way, in terms of searches, in terms of number of searches after Google, which one is the largest search happening on platform? On which platform largest number of search happening after the Google? YouTube, exactly. So you can understand that people are spending more time on the YouTube, on the Twitter. They are more connected with the Twitter and the YouTube rather than the traditional mode of communication, like mass medias of TVs and newspapers or print medias. So if people are present on this platform, it's your responsibility that your business should also present on the same platform. So this is this kind of video you might have seen, and that these kind of controversial video. What this is example of controversial videos. When TCS has fired lot of people, then someone has made this video that does TCS lay off only underperformers, recording of the termination interview in the TCS. Listen is the call to action, and this is what you can expect in the video. The TCS lies revealed. So is it tempting to see these title or these words tempt you to go through that video? Yes. So this is the content which you have to create the content, you have to write the content, you have to share that content which can compel your user to go through your content. So we know the Facebook, how we Facebook, you there is no need to tell me that what is Facebook, but you understand. One basic thing I would like to share: whenever you are on Facebook, don't create your company page, don't create profile on the name of company page, product or brand or services or celebrities. Don't create the don't create the profile means that profile should be of a human being, means on which people can send the friend request. Profile must be belong to some human being. If you have to create a company presence or brand or product or celebrities presence, go and create the pages rather than creating the profile. So you have created the you have created the personal profile as a company page, right? Rohit, you have created. Yes. So all these platform have name policy in place. All this platform has name policy. The day your personal profile will caught into that name policy, and they will realize that ki, okay, this is not a human being, this is the entity, or this is the company, or this is a brand or product or celebrity, they will suspend your account. So you have to tell them regret or some messages that okay, it was my mistake, I haven't realized, I was not knowing or something. I will make it in, I will convert it into the personal profile. And for the company, what you should create? For company, you should create pages. Exactly. So if you are creating the company or product or brand or services or like celebrities, for that you should create the page. In the difference between profile and page: on profile, people can connect with you by sending the friend request. On page, people can connect with you by liking them. On Facebook group, people can connect with you on by joining the group. So these are the three different things. There are four things you can do. Yes, yes, that the natural things, because always people want to connect, want to communicate with the real people. They don't want to communicate with the company. Even in the company, they want to connect with the faces. They don't want to connect with that faceless things. So if you are creating the company page, you have to focus on creating the face of the company. Even if you are promoting your company as a profile, then you have to make your profile as the face of your company. But profile, if you have created the profile must belong to some individuals, director of the company or owner of the company, or social media community managers, or whatever, chairman of the company or founder of the company. You have to give them individuality, you have to give them the human being is there managing those profile. So profile is meant only and only for uh, only and only for human being. Non-human being or non-living thing or entity kind of things, you have to go for the pages. So the idea is that when you want to connect with the people, then you have to create the personal human individual being profile. When you are announcing something publicly, when you are sharing about your companies publicly, when you are sharing the news or products or services or ideas, your vision, your mission, or your the way your company think, or the company has launched one product, whatever, if you have to announce something on behalf of the company, then you will use the company page, right? And when you are ready to interact with people, when you have enough time to communicate with a group of people on one-to-one basis, or you want to engage those people in some discussions, then you should create a Facebook group. तब क्या create करना चाहिए? So yes, so what are the 4 activities you can do Facebook? You can do on Facebook. First is you can create your personal profile, without which you cannot start using the Facebook. बिना पर्सनल प्रोफाइल के आप फेसबुक स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. पर्सनल प्रोफाइल मस्ट बिलोंग टू अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. Then profile, page, group. Event is not part of the Facebook. Using that Facebook profile, page, group and advertisement. These are the 4 things you can do on the Facebook. Apart from these 4 things, इस 4 चीज के अलावा आप जो कुछ भी करते हो, for that you need a Facebook app. The 5th thing is Facebook app. So if you want to host an event or contest, or you want to integrate your Pinterest, or you want to integrate your YouTube on the Facebook, so profile, page, group and advertisement. प्रोफाइल, पेज, ग्रुप एंड फेसबुक एडवर्टीजमेंट, इस 4 के अलावा जो कुछ भी आप करोगे, फॉर दैट यू नीड अ व्हाट you need a Facebook app. Exactly, yes. So there are so much things you can do on the Facebook, but the 4 basic thing, basically Facebook event is a integrated app, but it's a Facebook app. I will show you how you can create the event, but that app is not the core offering of Facebook. That Yes, the first thing is profile, that individual being profile. Second is page, that company, product, brand, celebrity page. And group, when you want to indulge in discussion with your audience, then it's a group. And when you want to do the paid advertisement, then you have to go for the ad manager. Facebook paid ad platform is called ad manager, that is part of Facebook ad. Apart from this event or note, or that instant article, there are so many things Facebook are offering. Some things are integrated with your profile, something you can see very frequently and you can see but obviously, but all these are offered as a Facebook app. So these notes on events and instant articles, or whatever other contest, or that you can if you are seeing, that is the part that is offered as a Facebook app. If you want to do any specific thing, like if you want to do any specific thing on the Facebook, and which you are not able to do that, go and find the respective Facebook app for that. You can get, there are huge Facebook app library. You like they are most likely to get like get you are most likely to get a app which will resolve your issues, or which you can use for the marketing purpose. So these are the 4 basic things you can do on the Facebook. Bharat, clear? That's nice. So we will look into these things on the practical. Now, right now, you can see that if you want to run a campaign on the Facebook, you can create a Facebook page, you can build an audience, you can engage with the audience. These are the free 3 basic steps. These 3 basic steps you have to do on all social media sites, irrespective of किस social media पे आप काम कर रहे हैं. You will create the presence on that social media. You will connect with your right kind of audience. There you may define your audience, or you may not define your audience, but your motive will be you're connecting with the right kind of audience, and get then engaging with those audience. Engagement means generating the response from those audience. So these are the 3 activities that which is present on any Facebook, any social media platform. I will go show you practically how to create the Facebook page. How many of you have the page? Do you have Facebook page? कितने लोगों के पास Facebook पेज बना हुआ है? किसी के पास Facebook पेज बना हुआ है अभी? नहीं. आदित्य क्या नहीं बना हुआ है, भारत का भी नहीं बना हुआ है. Anyways, so if you are creating the Facebook page, and you have to keep one thing in mind: when you have a profile, the profile has independent existence, page has independent existence, that group has independent existence. When you connect with the app like event has independent existence. So all these has independent existence. You cannot compel that कि जितने प्रोफाइल में कनेक्शंस हैं वो सारे के सारे फेसबुक पेज पे आ जाएं, दैट यू कैन नॉट डू। जितने भी फेसबुक पेज के कनेक्शंस हैं या लाइकर्स हैं वो सारे के सारे ग्रुप में को ज्वाइन कर ले, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। जितने भी ग्रुप के लोग हैं वो सारे के सारे इवेंट को ज्वाइन कर ले, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। एवरी एग्जिस्टेंस हैज देयर independent startup, and you can invite your previous connections to the new event. You can invite your profile connections to like the page. You can invite your page likers to join the group. You can invite your group members to participate in the event, but you cannot compel, you cannot automatically get you cannot transfer those connections to the next event, right? If you have profile, if you have a profile of 30 connections, अगर 1300 आपके फ्रेंड हैं, जब आप पेज बनाएंगे तो वो 1300 को आप इनवाइट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 1300 को कंपेल नहीं कर सकते पेज लाइक करने के लिए। इट्स अप टू देम, दे मे लाइक, दे मे नॉट लाइक। आपका पेज का लाइक्स जो स्टार्ट होगा वो जीरो से ही स्टार्ट होगा। When you start a group, your group member will start with a zero group. When you start an event, your event participation start with the 0 1. So you can invite your previous trust or previous connections in the new event, but you cannot compel them. Got the point? Yes. So I will show you how to create the Facebook page and group, and then what is happening on the Facebook. You can see that what's happening on the Facebook. So in 1 minute on Facebook के एक मिनट में Facebook में like 24,03,055 फोटोज अपलोड होते हैं, 500 अकाउंट्स ऐड होते हैं, 11,700 डॉलर्स का एडवर्टीजमेंट रन होता है। मेन्यू दैट एवरी मिनट फेसबुक इज मेकिंग दिस अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, this much of share 3 lakhs or 32 lakhs 98,000 sharing होती है, and that this much of ऐप इंस्टॉल्ड ऑन द फेसबुक, इतने सारे ऐप इंस्टॉल होते हैं फेसबुक पे, इतने सारे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट, 1 लाख फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट, 1,50,000 मैसेज सेंड, 460 कंपनी compromised login means किसी और के login। have you tried to log in with other account? फेसबुक में आप ट्राई करते हो किसी और के अकाउंट से लॉगिन करने का? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव द फेक अकाउंट? एनी ऑफ यू हैव द फेक अकाउंट एज वेल? No. Mostly Facebook is very that number, according to the number of audience wise, the Facebook has a very huge audience, but 20% of the Facebook account is the fake account as well. That there are sources there, but 20% of the like account is the fake account as well. So you can see that number of likes कितने होते हैं, and number of likes and share button are viewed, इतने लोग देखते हैं। days on the YouTube videos are viewed on the Facebook, एक मिनट के अंदर अंदर 323 डेज का वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे चल जाता है, and 50,000 links per minute share होते हैं। So this is the source of sumo coupon. So you can understand the activity, or you can understand the momentum, you can understand the possibilities of the activities on this Facebook. So what these all these fact and figures suggest, all these fact and figures suggest that how active these users are, how active audience are present on the Facebook. If they are active, you can connect with them to get the response for your website as well. So what kind of content you can share? That infographic, that you must have heard about the line that images have 1,000 images worth of 1,000 words rather than sharing the text. Text has less impact, images have more impact. In one image you can share 1,000 words, and to share that 1,000 words you may have to write a lot of content. So that image is very performing, very attractive, and people like the images because that entire effort is less from audience point of view. Very less effort is required for the understanding the images. So that images, videos are very popular. Creating the Facebook group, we will go and create the Facebook group. It is very easy to create, as you will create the pages the same way you can create the group as well. So Facebook SEO, what is the how Facebook is playing role to improve your SEO? So if you are using if you or your audience is using hashtag of your company brand keywords, and then this is a positive for your SEO. Number of likes your website is receiving when you are sharing the link of your web pages, number of likes your web page is receiving, that is again a very strong positive signals for improving the SEO. And the presence of keyword while you're defining your Facebook page title or Facebook page descriptions or Facebook notes or whatever text content you are sharing on the Facebook. So that text content give a boost to your corresponding website. So number of shares your page is generating, or number of mention your company is getting on your Facebook, all these are very important factor in SEO. So all these help all these will improve your SEO ranking. And we can start the Facebook ad. I will in fact show you how to start the Facebook ad. So we can on the Facebook advertisement, the ad manager is the platform, is the ad manager where you can boost. There are varieties of things according to the objective of the promotions. You can start your ad. The objective of your promotions might be boosting your page or boosting your post or boosting your company, or running the Facebook ad for the conversions, or promoting videos, or promoting apps, or promoting like Instagram, or you can do the advertisement on Instagram as well using Facebook. So the Facebook ad, we will look into that. You can promote the page, you can promote you can decide which page you want to promote, and then you will define the audience. These are the objective of the campaign, for which objective you want to start the advertisement. If you will select the click your website, you have to provide the website to promote that website URL. So this is according to the objective you can start the Facebook ad. So there are varieties of ad you can run. You can run a text ad or video ad or images ad or combinations of text and images and animated ad. So according to your audience, according to your product, you can use varieties of ad format. So on YouTube, we will discuss on YouTube what we can do. We will discuss also the Twitter what we can do. On LinkedIn we will discuss. Let's should we go to the practical session, because theoretically all the whatever you can do on the LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube, these are the social media wise, generic audience wise, we have discussed enough. What are the do's and don'ts and what you can expect on the Facebook. Now we should move to the practical. Yes, on which platform? From which platform you would like to start? FB. Yes, let's start with the FB. Okay, let's start with the FB. So again, profile creation is not an issue at all. You guys can create the profile. You are confident. You must have all the profile already ready. So profile creations, yes, profile creations, we are not going to discuss the profile creations. Here you can see what you can do on the Facebook. This is the small arrow button. You can see the small arrow button, and you can see the list of things you can do on the Facebook. On the Facebook, you can create the page, you can manage the page, you can create the group, you can create the manage the group, you can create the ad, you can manage the ad, and rest other things are the for the support and settings or preferences. So these are the three activities, these are the four activities. First is creating the profile. You can, using your one email ID, you can have one and only one Facebook profile. So within that profile you can create pages, you can create group, and you can create ad. So that's why I said ki these three things are given to you from the hardcore Facebook. Otherwise every other activities, every other possibilities, every other integration on the Facebook is come as a Facebook app. If the event was the part of the Facebook, then it should be appearing here. Got, Rohit? Yes. So we can start creating the pages. You can click on that create page. Here you can decide which kind of page you want to create: local business, company, organizations, brand, product, artist, entertainment, community, or cause. So according to the objective of the page, you can decide which kind of page you want to create. Which kind of page you want to create? What is the objective of creating the pages? So company, Rohit want to create the company page. So you will click on the company page, then you will select the category for the company. So you will select the category for your company. Which category we should select? What category you want me to select? These are the different kind of categories: small businesses, news, media, publishing. You want me to select as a news or media publishing. So can you find the news and media publishing sectors? Media, news, and publishing. What is the company name? What should be the, what company name you want to? News Buzz India, right? So you can provide the company name, whatever company name you already have. I'm just giving the example. Then you will click on get started. By clicking on the get started, you are accepting the terms and conditions of Facebook. Okay, you have already have the page. So I will do a little bit of tweaking. I will do add one or two or in that text to get the things next, to get into that next page. So now once you have decided that you want to create this particular page, now you have to define that that you have to introduce your page to the audience. When you are introducing that page, you have to make sure that two questions you have to answer very 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 clearly, that is what and why. So what this business is about, and why this business is very different from others. What kind of informations you want to share using this page, and why your information is so important that people should give attention to your informations. So these questions must be answered in these 150 words or 152 words. So tactfully you have to use the right keyword, so that when someone will search for Facebook, your page should appear here. Yeah, when someone is looking for this your kind of product and services, your Facebook page should appear in the result. For that you have to use the right keyword. Right now I'm not providing the details, you can understand, you can provide the content. Yes, okay. So let's suppose I'm just taking some introductory text from News Buzz India, or even you can skip it for now. You want me to open this page? Okay, let me open this your page as well. I'm opening Newsbuzz India, and by the meantime I'm just collecting few text. um, these like catch all the Bollywood actions and latest Bollywood news, so that way you can provide the introductions. So what is the purpose of creating and why your page is right one to come for that. So see where we can see that uh, this is called cover image, this is called thumb, this is your tabs, that you can see that tabs, and you can define your you can manage your tab from here. So when you are logged in, when someone is admin of this page, they can get lot of other things to see, like managing your call to actions or something. They can also see that other things. So let's create just for the demo purpose, I'm creating the pages. Then you can decide the website URL. So the website URL is you are providing the website URL. Yes, it's a Newsbuzz India. So I'm selecting this URL here. Will provide the URL. Then you will click on save info and try to use the right kind of keywords while managing these descriptions. Then you will create the thumbnail images that you can upload from your website, or you can upload from the computers, from your computers. Then you will select the images from your computer. So let's suppose I'm just taking any website as any image as the thumbnail image, but it should be defined like whatever size of the image is there, according to that side your thumbnail image. So you will select the thumbnail image. uh, okay, so I haven't selected it right now. So should I skip the things, or let me select? I can select this one. So that right now you are selecting this images, but it should be related to your business, and it should be good to if you have some like defining images about your business, or some like vocal images about your business that can tell something about your business. If you have nothing to see here, then you can use your logo. यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो you can use the logo. So you can, then you will click on the next. Then you will decide ki whether you want to add it as a favorite. If you will add this page as a favorite, this will appear here. This will appear here. If you will add any particular page as a favorite, this will appear here. So I don't want to add to the favorite, so I can skip it. Then you can design your page audience. Who is your ideal audience? So you can define the who is your ideal audience. So I want to define that all India. You can exclude the audience, you can include the audience. Including means your ideal audience is available in this particular. Exclude means you don't want to expose your web pages to that particular location. So you can include the location, you can exclude the location. Then you will define the age group, then you will define the gender, then you can find some interest. The people are interested in newspapers, or the people are interested in books, or the people are interested in magazines. So that way you will define the interest of your target audience. And after that good interest, it's right now I'm doing it faster, but you have to give it a good thought. And according to that audience, if you have the clarity about your audience, you can add all the segment of your audience, and then you can click on save. Are you guys there, or listening to me? All of you are here? Yes, that's nice. Subham has also joined us. Um, So this is, they will give you the tour about your page. Right now I'm closing it and I'm going to give you the tour. This is your thumbnail image, basically your logo or the defining words about your business. Here you can add the cover. You can use few tools like PicMonkey, Canva, especially the Canva. You can create very good images using Canva.com. You can use picmonkey.com, you can use unsplash.com. So these are the good you can say that good platform where you can do lot of editing. Unsplash Unsplash.com, where you can download the high definitions free images. You can download high definition free images from the Unsplash, and then you can edit it using Canva, or you can edit it using PicMonkey. PicMonkey is also a very good tool to do the image editing. So these three websites will help you to generate lot of social media friendly images. So right now I'm not going to create that image, but these are the tool you can explore to create lot of high definition images. These kind of high definitions images that you can see, you can download from here, and then you can edit into the PicMonkey. Then you will click on that edit. You can upload the images, and then you can add the text. As the, you can see that the text is added in this images. So in background the images will be there, in the front you can add the text. You can create the images, and then you can use the images in the background. So to add the images, you already know that how to add the images. I'm not going to show you very detail. Then the most important thing, you must add a call to action. You can see that, create a call to action. Make sure to add some call to action according to your business requirement. Let's suppose book now, call now, send images, or whatever. So right now I'm selecting the contact us, and for, let's suppose I'm sharing our website contact us page. So if their website contact us page, I would like to share that I want, if someone is clicking on that contact us, they should be reaching on the contact us page. Your contact us page is not very SEO friendly URL. You must have SEO friendly URL for all the pages. So create the SEO friendly URL for these pages. So you can define the URL to which should be connected with your this contact us button. Then you can define, if you have mobile app, you can provide the separate link for the mobile app. After providing, you can see that how it will appear in the website on the Facebook, how it will appear on the iPhone of the Facebook, how it will appear on the Android. After deciding everything, you can click on create. So wherever you will see the promote, wherever it asks to ask you or prompt you to promote, they are asking for the paid advertisement. ये जहाँ पे भी promote है, इसका मतलब है paid advertisement है. And here you can see the settings. Setting is the all the possibilities, which all the activities, list of every single thing which you can do on Facebook. फेसबुक पे आप जो कुछ भी कर सकते हो, वो सारे की सारे चीजें यहाँ पे जनरल में, these things, visibility or visitor post, messaging, or all the settings you can do. In general, you can define the page support features, Instagram ads, apps, preferred page audience. You can define the all page audience, your people and other pages, and you can define the, you can add different people in different role. You can manage your notifications, you can page attributes, whether you are using this page as Bhavna or you are using this page as Newsbuzz India. You can define the page attribution. You can provide all related information into the page info. You can define all the things in all messaging setting from here. So all these are the options which you have to explore. Whichever tab you will click, corresponding some sub action will appear here. So you have to click on all these tabs one by one, and then you have to go through all these settings. Whatever settings making sense to you according to your business, you will do the all those settings. So the most important thing to complete is page info. So these are the page info. You have to provide right categories, name of the company, or Facebook web address. This is the one time thing you can provide. Ki Facebook page address, you can, when you have 25 plus, then you can have a Facebook page space. You can define the web address for the Facebook presence, company start date or company start date address, or shop descriptions about your company. You will provide lot of supportive text reach and keyword rich keyword rich descriptions. Impression is all about collection of USPs, long description about companies, mission statement, कब found हुआ था, award कोई मिले हैं क्या, products हैं, आपका phone number क्या है, ईमेल आईडीज क्या है, ऑफिशियल आपका कोई ब्रांड, आप इफ यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग एनी ऑफिशियल ब्रांड, celebrity organizations that you can connect here. So this is very important informations, and these informations play a very important role that how your page will appear in the Facebook search. That when someone will look for your page, whether your page will appear in the search or not, it depends on what kind of informations you have provided in this page info settings. So this is the settings you have to go through. Then this publishing tool will help you to manage your post. You can schedule the post, you can draft, you can create the draft of the post. So publishing tool will help you to manage your post. So you can all the post which is already published, scheduled post, draft post, and expiring post, means you have created the post but you haven't published it. So you can manage this post here. You can manage video library here. And that ad is about, again we will go to the ad section, and then we will explain that how you can add the form for you can create the different form for your Facebook page. So net notifications, how people are interacting or what kind of actions people are taking on your website. They are liking your content or disliking, or not disliking means whatever, liking or commenting or sharing, or whatever actions they are taking on your content, that notification you will receive in the message. If any person will do the personal messaging, you can receive all those messages here. So these are the best way to create the pages. And after creating the page, there is an option here. You can manage the tabs. To manage the tabs, you can make it up and down, and like you can manage the tabs the way you can click on add and review remove. So this add and review tab will give you an option to add any app. So by default app is given notes, but you can add the different tab as Instagram tab or YouTube tab, or like Pinterest tab or event tab or contest tab, or like whatever tab you want to add on your page, that you have to add as a app. So to add the app, you will go to that more section and then click on manage tab. So this is very important. Here you can see the insight. Can you see the insight? View as page visitor, add to favorite, add invites. Right now it's not showing insight because your page, the page has just created. Otherwise here you will see the insight. Insight is the Facebook mechanism. Like if you want, you can see this insight informations for already existing page. So do you want to add the contest app? Yes, you can go to the to add any app. You have to go to the Google, or you can go directly go to the any like app library of the Facebook. And for one activity there are so many apps available. So it's not that blindly going and selecting any app. You can go to the rating and reviews of those app, and then you can decide that whether this app is right one to use or not. Like you can go and search Facebook app for contest. So contest for like, contest for business, contest for small business, contest for photographs, contest for restaurant. If you have any, if you are running any specific type of contest, then you can search accordingly. And then run. Facebook is already giving you the options to run the contest. Then this is the Facebook app library where you can go and search the right app. So before adding any app, you can just go through the rating and reviews and number of active users, and then you can decide whether it is right thing to use. Once you will start installing, they will ask you for the they will ask you for some setting informations, kind of कि contest का title क्या है, contest का language क्या है, introduction, thank you, closed contact text, footer link. So you will provide all these things, and then you will give access. They will ask you for the access of your Facebook profile. You will give the user ID password for your Facebook profile. Then they will ask you कि on which page you want to run this contest. You will get to list, you will get the list of all the pages you have created in your profile. Let's suppose in my profile there are so many pages, so all these pages I will see as an option where I want to run this contest, and then that app will start appearing in this tab. आपके Facebook पेज पे वो दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे. So is it fair enough? You can do the contest running for yourself. Yes, yes. So this is not only contest. You can run in. You can add any thing. Like you can add any kind of activities. Facebook app for YouTube video. Like if you want, if you have a YouTube channel, all the video should directly appear on the Facebook tab as well. Let's suppose here you can see. So here, let's suppose you are going to the YouTube. I have added YouTube app. So when someone will clicking on that YouTube app, you can see it's directly coming from the YouTube sections. So whatever you will upload on the YouTube channel, that will directly appear on YouTube sections. In the same way, you can create the Pinterest app or Instagram app. There are so many apps to create. So this is the YouTube app. We have created the YouTube. So this that tab, whatever app you will add, that app will see, you can see that app here. If you have run that one app is also added, the event app. So see, you, this is again a app. You may feel that it's not app, but it's an app. So whatever features you that Facebook is your next home. Facebook is your next home. So whatever feature you want to add in your website or in your Facebook presence, you they're most likely to get that feature as a app. Got the point? Yes, if you want to add the contest app with the WordPress, you can add the Facebook with the WordPress. Like if you are adding a Facebook feed for the WordPress, that you can do. And while adding the Facebook feed for the WordPress, they ask you ki what you want to add, whether you want to show your profile feed or Facebook page feed. So there, if you are getting an option to connect your app, Facebook app with your WordPress, that exactly, yes, can you can do it, you can do it. But again, for Facebook, you have to search for the right kind of plugin for that. You need to have that plugin, or you can explore the widgets. If these Facebook app is giving you some code or widget code, you can also use the widget to integrate on your Facebook section, Facebook page. So enough about creating the pages. Now how to promote that page, how you want to promote the page, right? You can manage your pages, you can create the pages, you can explore the possibilities of creating pages. Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. So creating the Facebook page is very similar how you are exploring the possibilities, that setting options, publishing tool, insight. This is the insight. Here you can see all the activities, all the stats related to your web page, related to your Facebook page here. You can see the page likes or post reach or engagement, like, reach, page views, post videos, and people. There all the stats related to these dimensions you can see which post is giving you maximum exposure. You can you can short it according to the engagement, or you can promote a particular post. So these are these this is called Facebook Insight. This is called Facebook Insight. So this start appearing once you will start collecting the data. So come back to the page. Again, you have to make sure that whether you are using the page, as individual, or you are using the page as the company page. Like if you will change your identity, then your attribution will change here. So now whatever activity, like, share, comment, whatever activity you will do, it will be attributed to the this page. It will not attribute it to the individual profile. So you have to make sure that what activity you want to do as a page, and what activity you want to do as a profile. What is the maximum limit of profile? प्रोफाइल में कितने फ्रेंड मैक्सिमम हो सकते हैं आपके? 5,000 exactly. Everyone know that. That's nice. Thank you. So but in the Facebook page there is no limitations. The Facebook page, there is no limitations. Any number of people can like you, and it is very similar as creating the profile. Whatever, once people will start liking you, so whatever updates you will do, that will get exposed to these likers. So if these likers take any actions, then your content will get exposed to their connections as well. So any Facebook like will take the any action on your content will get exposed to their connections as well. So these are that. Here you can see whatever apps you will use, all app list will appear here, all photos. If on your page someone else will share the content, visitors post will appear here. So every page has a review section as well. If people are doing a review on your website, so uh, that review is also there. You can see the review. There is no review right now, that otherwise you can see the review. If someone has done that good review, that good review will appear. If someone has done bad review, so if Facebook or any social media, you have to be a little bit attentive. You have to little bit very you can say that a little bit of present, that it's so open platform that people start doing a lot of complaint, and it's very tough to handle those complaint on the platform, on the open platform. So whenever someone is doing negative comment, or when someone is doing any bad comment, or doing bad review for you, so it's not like getting rid of those bad reviews. You have to be present on that platform, and you have to clarify your stand, and you have to ready to help those complainers. Okay, I'm sorry, how these are our senior managers, you can connect with them, they will resolve your issues. Or somehow your audience should feel that someone is there to take care of them. It's not like they have done the comment and then you will start following them to remove the comment, or remove the reviews, or you can abuse them to okay, remove the bad reviews. No, it's not the right way to do. You have to give the right solutions. You have to ready to help, and most importantly, you must respond as soon as possible. It should not delay in responding. You should respond as soon as possible, and respond in as polite way as possible. If you can provide some incentive, or you can provide some compensation, or you can guide them to reach to the right kind of you can guide them that who can solve their problem, or you can clarify some terms and conditions. So you have to respond to the bad reviews as well. So how you can promote these pages, and for that the best way to do the promotion is, first you can invite all your existing profile connections. First, whatever profile connections you have, you can invite those profile connections to your page. Apart from that, you can do little bit of competition research. Let's suppose you are promoting a news website, you can go and find some news, what these news websites are doing. So these are the pages. So let's suppose these pages have 10,000 plus monthly users. So you can go to the pages, and there you can select such 5 to 10 pages, and these you can analyze these pages. So how active they are, how responsive they are, how like what kind of content they are sharing on the regular basis, what kind of content is generating lot of response. And according to their response, according to their analysis, you can plan your own uh, social media campaign. So that frequency of the update, and the recency of the update, means frequency of the update. This is one of the website you can go through, you can see this number of people have liked. So you can go and analyze it. You can see the reviews. If people will do the review, you can see here. So you can add the map as well. So this background image is also good one. You can keep changing these background images over a period of time. So whatever page is a very successful page in your industry, you should go and analyze these pages, and you will see that what kind of content they are sharing, what is the frequency of the content, what is the topic of the content, in what content they are generating lot of response, and accordingly you can plan your strategy as well. So about, if you have to decide how many posts you should do every day, it depends on the industry. In If you are targeting those end users, then you can do 5 to 7 posts a day. If you are targeting the B2B segment, if you are targeting other business owners, then number of post frequency should be lesser. It's 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 in a day. What is the best time to do the post? That again you have to do the experiment on which time you are getting lot of response. You can stick to that time. But in India especially, 9 o'clock morning, 12 o'clock in the noon, and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and 6 o'clock in the evening is treated as the best time to get the maximum response. So you can plan for, for that which kind of how you have to what should be the frequency, and what should to at what time you want to share the content. 4 to 6 in the evening, yes, it depends on lot of industry. That you have initially you have to do the experiment. But in India, that 9, 12, 3 or 6, this is the right time to get the maximum response. So in the, as you have created the page, the creation 7:30, at what time we are going to wind up? 8:15. Okay. Okay, so let's have a break. Let's have a break after completing the Facebook. Facebook page creation is fine enough. You guys can create the pages. Yes, the Facebook group is very similar, right? Creating the Facebook group is very similar. You can go to here, you can click on create the group, you can define the group name, define the audience, provide the purpose of the group. You can decide the group is private, close or secret. Public is everyone can join the group. Close means only invitee, like to whom you will invite and approve, they only join the group. And secret is only member can find and see the post, no one else can see the post. So you will define the group name. You can invite some members. Initially you can invite members only from the your connections. If this connection is about this person, so all, if you start typing So all the connections in my connections will appear here as to ask them to join. So is Facebook group creation should I show, or you guys can experiment yourself creating the Facebook group? Rohit is saying no, I need not to create the Facebook group. Aditya, Bharat, Subham. Okay, Rohit will find yourself how to create the pages. Aditya will also find himself how to create the pages. That's nice. Now let's move to the creating the ad. So do you want to create the ad? Break. Rohit want a break. So I will also do. Rohit, Shubham will also do break. Yes, everyone is looking for break. Okay, let's have a break and then we will back at 7:30. At what time we will be back? At what time we will? It's 7:27, 7:35. Okay, fine. At 7:35 we will be back. Okay, nice. Thank you. See you at 7:35. Hi guys, are we back? We can start now. Hello guys, Aditya, Bharat, Rohit, Subham. Hello. Hello. Hello guys. Hello. Hello. Yes, Subham is ready and Rohit is also ready. Okay, nice. Where is Bharat and Aditya? Bharat and Aditya. Okay, Aditya is also ready. Okay, I hope Bharat is also ready. Let's start and we will wind up today. We will wind up by 8. Is it okay? Right? And the rest of the things we will cover in next session. Okay. Okay, fine. So, okay, let's start the paid advertisement on the Facebook. To do the paid advertisement, you will go to this small this small arrow, and then you will click on create ad, and creating that this is the ad manager. This is called ad manager of Facebook. So that entire ad campaign, paid ad campaign, you can manage using ad manager. So they will log in into your ad managers, and these platform are optimized, like these profile these this platform Facebook keep improving. So sometime you will get different kind of different dashboard. So this is the latest one. So according to the objective of the ad campaign, why you want to run the ad, what you want to promote in your ad, according to the objective of the ad campaign, you have to decide what kind of ad you want to run. What kind of ad you want to run? You want to run the post or the pages or your own website or your landing page or in app mobile app installations, or you want to increase the engagement and rating and reviews, and frequently people should be interacting with your app. So what is the purpose of creating the object? Whether you want to reach, it's your local business, you want to reach the local customers, or you want to improve the attendance in the event, or you want to promote any offer, or you want to improve the videos. What should be the objective of your ad? According to the objective, you will choose the ad type. So Abhi, what kind of ad, what kind of objective you want to choose me right now? Promote page. So let's you are, when you are selecting the promote page, so that way you are focused towards improving the page likes. So you will click on the page, promote page, then you will select that all the pages you have created will appear here. So you will select the page you want to promote, and then you will define the campaign name. This is the campaign name. So what, this is for you, this is not for the audience. So whatever name you want to define, you can define. So after defining the campaign name, you will click on set audience and budget. The audience, because you are doing the paid advertisement, you have all the controls to whom you want to show your advertisement. So in the free one, when you are selecting the page audience, that is not 100% controlled audience, but here you can 100% control to whom you want to show your ad. So let's suppose I'm running ad for this page, and I want to run ad this only this advertisement only for the Noida. So you can write the name of the locations, and then you can click on include, and then you can click on the locations. If you want to exclude, then you will select the country, state, city or zip name, and then you can exclude it. So it's a Noida and plus 25 kilometers or 25 miles. You can decide that in which radius you want to show your ad. Let's suppose we have selected Noida or plus 25 miles, and according, then when you select the locations, they will give you they will give you the audience कि कितने लोगों तक आपकी ad पहुंच पाएगी. So approx 2 crore for 400,000 people you can see your ad. Right now this is the detail location excluded. Now you can define कि in which age group you want to promote. So let's suppose I'm promoting in all these age group. You can select the male and female. So right now I'm selecting the both. You can select the language. Right now let's suppose I'm selecting English all, or you can select multiple language as well. Let's suppose I'm selecting Hindi as well. So now you will also select the detail targeting means in which business or industry, in according to the interest you can target. So you can define that right now the selected audience is business and industry and online. Search engine optimization and social media marketing, these are the selected one. If you want to remove it, you can just remove, cross it, and it will be get removed. If you want to select that in a specific interest, you can select all the people interested in business and industry, advertisement, agriculture. So you can select that business I want to target, uh, include people who match at least one of the following. So you can decide कि किसको आपको किस इसमें से किसी के साथ भी ऐड होगा, या आपकी ऐड किसी के साथ भी मैच होगा, आपकी ऐड शो होगी. So you can define that detailed target audience. Here it is suggested, create a different segment, create a user segment, and then create the different ad targeting option for those segment. Let's suppose you are targeting all the of business and industry, create different ad for them. If you are targeting let's suppose you are targeting any educational institutions, create different ad copy for them. So rather than targeting in all target audience in one ad, create different ad set and then create ad corresponding to that interest. So you can also exclude the people according to the interest, or you can also narrow down the audience by excluding particular demography, interest, behavior, and categories. You can also exclude them. So for now, exactly to whom we would like to target, let's suppose I'm running ad for the digital marketing C. So I'm running this ad in only in Noida, and then we can decide the language. I want to select the target audience. So let's suppose I would like to target so business and industries. Yeah, online digital marketing. I would like to target everyone who is online, right? Interest area who is online. All these are part of online audience. So again, personal finance, I don't want to target the personal finance. I only want to target the online businesses. So web hosting, web development, all these are related to the online business. So I'm targeting only to the online businesses. So again, you if you want to exclude some people according to the demography, you can exclude them. According to the interest, you can exclude them. According to the behavior, you can exclude them. So for now, I'm not finding anyone to exclude. Again, you can exclude who is matching these. So you can create a combinations of these two exclusions कि ये सारे match कर रहे हो लेकिन ये और ये match नहीं कर रहा हो. So you can exclude the people. Right now I'm not excluding it, but you can exclude and narrow down your audience. Now to whom you want to show your Facebook page. uh, Facebook page connections, who people who has already liked your pages, or friend of the people who liked your pages, or exclude the people who liked your pages. So let's suppose I want to select friend of the people who like my pages. So you can select the all the pages which you have created. So whatever pages you have created, you can select the audience of that page to show your ad. So if you have created more pages, that option will appear. So right now there is no audience. I'm not selecting these pages, I'm selecting only these pages. So you can define कि इस पेज के जो फ्रेंड हैं, इस पेज को लाइक करने वालों के जो फ्रेंड हैं उनको मेरी एड दिखनी चाहिए. So you can save this audience, you can save this audience with a name, so that you can use the same audience anytime in the future. So let's suppose I'm saving this audience Noida 25 mile 18 to 65 all English and online audience है. ये क्या है? Business industry and online. So I can save this audience list as डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सी के लिए मैंने टारगेटिंग की है, नोएडा के लिए टारगेटिंग की है, एंड देन द पीपल हु इज इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. Then we can save this audience with this name. When we run another ad, we can select the same audience rather than defining everything from the scratch. We can select the same audience name. So now you will decide the budget, how much you want to spend, and according to your budget, your reach will increase or decrease. So if your budget will increase, your reach will increase. So that way your reach will increase. If your budget will decrease, your reach will potential reach will decrease. So you can start with moderate budget, and then you can schedule your ad. You can set start date and end date, or you can run your ad continuously. I would like to set a start date and end date. Let's suppose I have started on 30th and going to end on this time. So the total spend during these first March ko not March, I would like to end on 1st Feb. So the total spend will be this much. You can then optimize the bidding. Optimizations bidding have changed now. How you want to pay? Optimization for the ad page likes, you want to page for the page likes, or you want to bid that page likes will deliver your ads to the right people to help to get more page like at the lowest cost, right? Optimization for ad delivery. Okay, so they should be giving you an option to select how we want to get paid. Okay, here you can select how you want to get, how you want to give the payment. So here you will decide कि bid amount, whether you want कितना पैसा pay करना है, per click या per 1,000 impressions, how much maximum amount you are ready to pay. And here you will select how is whether what option how you are going to pay, according to the impressions or according to the page likes. Because page like is the end goal, page like is more action oriented. Always select for the page like, or always select for the action oriented goal. Don't go for the impressions, because impression anyway these advertisement is giving you the impressions. So paying for the impression is not a right thing, not a good thing to do. Always select the charging method, always action oriented goal select as how you will get charged. In automatic and manual, you can set the manual bidding or you can set the automatic bidding. So if you are just getting started, it's good to start with the automatic. If you have a little bit of experience, you know that how the number of competitions or that what maximum you are ready to pay, then you can enter the manual bidding as well. So right now I'm selecting it automatic one. So then you can decide the ad scheduling, at what time you want to show your ad. Run ad all the time, run ad on a schedule. If you will decide run an ad on the particular schedule, then you have to select the date and time and the exact slot to running your ad. So I'm selecting it run ad all the time. So the delivery type, your ad will show throughout the day or your ad will show as quickly as possible. It's suggested to go for the throughout the day. So you will select your ad type, then you will go through some advanced options. In that advanced option, um, this delivery type you have already selected, or ad scheduling you have already selected, how you are going to pay that you have selected. After doing all these things, you can create your ad copy. You have to create your ad copies. So ad copy creation, you can select the images ad, you can select the video ad. When selecting the images ad, it's always suggested to use the real life images rather than using stock images or any other images. Use the real life images. If you have already uploaded the image, you can select from the library, or you can select from the stock images that you are ready to buy the images. So it's always good idea that use the real life images, and that image must be according to these guidelines, that the recommended specification should be this and this, and image ratio should be this and this, and your image 20% आपके image में 20% से ज़्यादा text नहीं होना चाहिए. So you will select it. Your image must be according to these guidelines, and Canva will help you to create such images. Canva is very good in creating such images. So this will be your image. Then you can decide what text you want to provide support your images. This is your ad and this is your text. So you can change the text. Let's suppose join free digital marketing, join free digital marketing training 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 in Noida on whatever. This is the text. You can see this will appear with your images. So that image and text should appear good enough, like it should be compelling enough to get the clicks. So creating the ad copy, purpose of creating the ad copy is getting the maximum clicks or maximum likes. So you can see where you would like to serve your ad. You want to serve your ad on the desktop news feed, or you want to serve your ad on the mobile news feed, or you want to serve your ad on the desktop right column. You can see कि आपकी ad वहाँ पे कैसे दिखेगी. So if you are happy with this look and feel, then you will click on place order. Then they will ask you for the money, that bidding and billing informations. After providing these things, okay, ad group need exclusion targeting. The ad cannot be created with the targeting specifications you have selected. So these these specification is not matching, they are asking for this particular specification, this image is not as per the specifications, so that's why they are not taking your image. Once you will provide the images according to these specifications, then only you can proceed to the paid place order. And while placing the order, you are just providing the billing informations, that is your credit card or debit card details. Once you provide the credit card and debit card details, you can see your ad running, and once you see the ad running, you can go and analyze that how many clicks you have received, how many likes you have received, so everything you can see in the dashboard. So uh, it's fair enough, you can start your ad, guys. Are you confident you can run the Facebook ad? Yes, Subham can run, Aditya can run, and Bharat can as well run. So, few things you have to keep in mind. First and foremost thing, the objective of the paid ad. Second, most important, the targeting option. The crystal clarity about your targeting option, you can run best kind of ad. If you can decide to whom you want to show your ad, then only you can run your ad very effectively. If you are not very clear about to whom you want to show your ad, then it's can we know how much money my one invested in a particular page? Yes, yes, after running this ad, you will see everything in dashboard, everything you can see, that how much money you have invested, or how much likes you have generated, or how much people have seen your ad, everything will appear. Okay, you want to see someone else. Can we know how much money uh, one anyone has invested in the particular page? No. If you want to see about any others on others website, then you have to do a little bit of competition research, and that one website is you can use some website similar web to know about how much money they are spending on Facebook, or you can use some Facebook competition analysis tools. So these tool will help you to find not exact but idea you can get from that. SimilarWeb is a website which give you a little bit of idea, and these competitive analysis tool will give you a little bit of idea that what kind of activities they are doing to promote the ad, and how much money in and how much paid ad they have done for promoting the app. So these tool you can go and explore. Fair enough. And website and my tool, which so now for if you are running your ad, you ad manager will show every details about your ad. आपके एड में जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो वो सारा का सारा एड मैनेजर दिखाएगा, किसी और के एड का कुछ भी नहीं दिखाएगा. For that you have to use any third party tool, and these third party tools are not 100% accurate. These are the indicative data. So these give you a just fair amount of idea that what activities they are doing, what is the frequency of updating their content, what is the frequency of doing the paid ad, how much money they are spending on the paid ad, how long they are running the paid ad, what are their ad copies. So these things you can analyze using these competition analysis tool. You have to do a little bit of research on that tools. So, and most of these tools are like initially free and then paid one. Most of these tools are initially free and then paid one, either basic version of the free and the advanced version is paid one. Okay, so can we go through small questionnaires? Yes, let's go through some questions. Let's suppose first question is steps involved in a social media campaign. What are the steps involved in social media campaign? It's all of the above. Exactly. Create pages, engage audience, and build audience. These are the three things. Facebook page can be created for Facebook page can be created for again G. Very smart. Very nice. Thank you. So what shares the most on the Facebook? सबसे ज़्यादा sharing क्या होती है Facebook पे? I think it should be the images. Let's see the answer. Even I'm not sure about that. I hope it should be the images. Let's see the answer. So this images. What share the most is the images, right? So what helps in SEO on the Facebook? Facebook का कौन सा portion SEO में भी help करता है? Adding keywords in title description, hashtag, both, none of the above. C both, none of C both, yes. अब option available on the Facebook ad. Facebook ad में क्या क्या options available हैं? Boost page, boost post, promote website, mobile apps, video ad, all of the above. Again, it's all of the above. Nice. Thank. Very smart. Mm, is no questions left? So fair enough for the day. Can we wind up for the day? Yes. In next sessions, we will continue with the social media. In the next session, we will cover that LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. Right? Okay. Okay. That I have to look that approx total 36 hours has to be completed. So I will update you how many class left, Bharat. So right now I don't have any exact figure in I don't remember the exact figure, but I will update you soon. Okay, fine. Bye. Good night. Good night.